Using the digital electricity monitoring system, you will have visibility of all your power usage around the clock. Monitor for spikes and dips to keep those critical systems safe from dirty power in case the UPS does need to be used. Using this system, you can easily troubleshoot problems remotely and reset all your transmitters from your monitor from a browser. This system is extremely simple to install and very scalable, ensuring that all your needs are met. When installing, digital electricity does not require conduit at all. In fact, Class 4 cable can run in the same pathways as Class 2 and Class 3. This makes it easy to move if a new area requires power or data. Besides saving on conduit, which can be upwards of $33 per foot, this install can be performed by low voltage technicians, eliminating the costly labor charge by full-blown electricians. The packetized power system also eliminates energy loss. Where normal cabling loses energy as it travels, the packet retains nearly 100% of their energy. This leads to a lower electric bill since all the power that you pay for is used.